Hey guys, it's Ray and Samantha. I'm back with another video and I'm coming to you guys with this bomb braid out using Cream of Nature's whipped twisting cream. And honestly, I didn't expect how defined this is, but I'm loving this. So if you guys want to see how I got this down, keep on watching.
I told you I want you, and you are the reason I'm saying. When I told you I loved you, you threw it back in my face. You hate the fact I'm moving on, cause you feel like I need you. I love the fact I'm moving on, I swear I don't need you. Thought that I would love you forever, but you showed me your true colors. Honestly, I should've known better. Now I'm the Heartbreak Club. I joined the Heartbreak Club, went and doubled up the cup to like 3 steps back, just so you ain't give a fuck about me. About me. You got a life that you can live without me. I hope you think of me and missing me when they fucking I'm moving on. Going strong without loving, yeah, you think of me and missing me when they fucking young. Moving on, going strong without loving you. In the Heartbreak Club now, I'm heartbroken and in love. Why did you mess it up? When did you fall out of love? Yeah, you said it's for me, but you ain't do nothing for me. Stayed on my lonely with other bitches that want me, who barely know me, still treat him just like my trophy. Need to fall out of love, cause love is killing me slowly, yeah. Thought that I would love you forever, but you showed me your true colors. Honestly, I should've known better. Now I'm the Heartbreak Club. I joined the Heartbreak Club, went and doubled up the cup to like 3 steps back, just so you ain't give a fuck about me. About me. You got a life that you can live without me. I hope you think of me and missing me when they fucking I'm moving on. Going strong without loving, yeah, you think of me and missing me when they fucking I'm moving on. Going strong without loving you. Pick up your phone. Hey. Pick up your phone. You see me calling you. Hate to be on my own, but I got no option to, cause I got no one to call when I'm lonely. I got no one to call when I'm lonely. I got no one to call when I'm lonely. When I'm lonely, no one to call when I'm lonely. You told me that you needed space. You told me your heart doesn't race. Down this road, no care about our soul. Hit the 411 with no place to go. Lights passing me by, no one on my passenger side. And I just can't tell you to ride, cause you ain't mine. Damn girl, I'm trying. I can't lose my life, man. So I'm ringing your line. Pick up your phone. You see me calling you. on my own, but I got no options. Cause I got no one to call when I'm lonely, lonely, lonely. I got no one to call when I'm lonely, lonely, lonely. I got no one to call when I'm lonely, when I'm lonely. No one to call when I'm lonely, lonely, lonely. No matter what I do, I can't stop thinking about you. Past the exit to your crib, feeling like I'm on route 2. Shorty broke my heart, said she loved me and she lied. Now I'm here alone with memories in my eyes. Thought she was an angel, she a demon in disguise. Now I'm sitting in a dark room trying to see the picture. Only thing I'm thinking about is how I fucking miss you. Wanna kiss you, wanna touch. Find another nigga that won't be another us. Who you call when you lonely? Who you call when you want it? Who you call if it ain't me? And who you love until the morning? So who you call when you lonely? Who you call when you want it? And who you call if it ain't me? Do me a favor and just answer when I'm calling. Hello? Pick up your phone. Hey. Pick up your phone. You see me calling you. Hate to be on my own, but I got no options. Cause I got no one to call when I'm lonely, lonely, lonely. I got no one to call when I'm lonely, lonely, lonely. I got no one to call when I'm lonely, when I'm lonely. No one to call when I'm lonely, lonely, lonely. You told me that you needed space. You told me your heart doesn't race. Down this road, no care about my soul. Hit the 411 with no place to go. Let's pass it.
This is how my twists are looking after the takedown. I kind of really like the chunky look, but I don't know if I should unravel some and fluff out a little bit. I don't know. Maybe I will do a little bit at the bottoms. Let's see. I don't know, guys, it looks so cute. I never like leave my hair like this, so I don't know if I should fluff it out or just leave it. I wish I was live so I can ask you guys what I should do. I don't know. Okay, so I just went on live on Instagram because I didn't know if I should fluff or separate, but I think oopsies. I think I'm gonna just fluff a little bit at the, we'll separate a little bit at the back to hide the parts. And then we're just gonna call it a day, cause yeah. Guys, I really can't believe my daughter is gonna be 3. Like, I kinda just wanna cry. I don't know how parents get to like 7 and whatnot. Like, how is your kid 7? I feel like I would just like break down. Like 7, what? I'm such a loser, but that's literally how I feel. I think I'm creating a whole lot of frizz right now, but it's okay. It's for the sake of big hair. So we're just gonna do that.
But I got no options. Cause I got no one to call when I'm lonely.
She's gonna be so excited though. She's been literally been asking me for the last like 3 or 4 months, Mama, my birthday coming soon. So I'm kind of more excited than her that her birthday's today, so I don't have to be asked. Oops. I no longer have to be asked 5 times a day if her birthday is coming soon. A little selfish of me, I know, but if you have a toddler or a preschooler, you understand my struggle. Like, they just be talking too damn much, and yeah. I really need to hurry up because her party is like in a few hours, and I still have to do both of my daughter's hair, get them ready, get them showered and whatnot. So yeah, I don't know who told me to film this right now, but you guys should thank me because I'm taking my time out to show you guys. Okay, this foundation in my hair needs to really go. Like, you're doing the most. I don't know what happened to this one, but we're just gonna fluff and separate a little bit. I feel like I can't help but separate and fluff. Like, that's just me. It's just nice sometimes to do stretch styles, like twist outs. I used to always like twist outs on my hair, but I think because like my ends are a bit scraggly, it doesn't always look the cutest, so I opt for braid outs. But it looks really cute on stretched hair. Like, as you can see, my ends need to go, but we're not gonna worry about that right now. We're just gonna pick out these roots.
So who you call when you lonely? Who you call when you want it? Or who you call if it ain't me? Do me a favor and just answer what.
I don't know why, like, this side is always longer than the other. I'm not sure what's... I hate when my hair is also lopsided. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this because I'm just gonna get too happy with fluffing and then it's just gonna turn into a hot mess. And I know for sure that when I go outside, it's definitely gonna fluff up, so I'm just gonna leave it. So yeah, that is about it. I think I'm gonna leave it like this and head to my daughter's party, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
'Cause I got no one to call when I'm lonely, lonely, lonely. I got no one.